So one of the things that fabricators struggle with is always a problem is when you crack a piece. If they have a hairline crack or something opens up in the home, they got to go back and fix it. You have to have something very, very, very thin to be able to go in and penetrate the crack. But also it's got to be structural where it bonds those two pieces together. And Tenax makes a product called Epoxart. Epoxart is, they have 3 different formulas, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, all different types of viscosities and also different types of cure times. I like the 2-to-1 because of the viscosity and also the cure time of a couple of hours. So look how thin this is. It's thin as water. Look how thin that is. This is the B part. Check out the A part. Look how clear this is. A 2-to-1 ratio mix. But look how clear that is. So when you mix it together, get this water clear consistency. But when they're talking about thin, look how thin that is. And then when you come over to do a crack, so this is exaggerated, this is a broken piece, but this is for demonstration purposes. But you can see how thin you can pour it literally right down through that crack. And the great thing is this is a true epoxy, but Epoxart is extremely stable, extremely very low yellowing over time. If it's indoors, you'll never, ever, ever see a change. Outdoors, it'll take years. But this will go in, penetrate deep into this material, fill it up, and because it's a true epoxy, it's going to be stronger than the stone ever was before. So if you're needing to do some hairline crack repairs, the Epoxart 2-to-1 is fantastic. You really got to get this in your shop.